Whether you change your own oil or you pay someone to change your oil, you should know what your manufacturer recommends for your vehicle. In my last oil change video for the Equinox, I didn't discuss the oil that I used. So this time I am going to show you how to find the correct oil. We're going to go into the manual. Vehicle checks. Under vehicle care, section 10, 21. Alright, so I'm going to find recommended oil. Selecting the right engine oil. Must be dexos. Viscosity 5W30. Alright, so this is full synthetic with the dexos certification. Now, why did I go with Meyer brand? Well, this is actually manufactured by Warren Distribution, and I had watched a video from Project Farm where he tested Amazon Basics, and this is for a different car. Obviously it's European formula, but it also is manufactured by Warren Distribution, so that's why I selected the Meyer brand. I'll put a link up at the top for Project Farm for this particular video, where Amazon Basic was put up against a lot of well-known oil companies. And for capacities, we need to go to section 12.2. Okay, engine oil with filter. It's going to be 6 quarts. So what I have is 5 quarts, 5W30 dexos, oil filter, and you did hear me right, 5 quarts, but I also have 1 quart of Lucas Oil stabilizer. For the oil filter, I went with the Mobil 1. There's also a video out there, you know, where they tear apart the oil filters, and I believe Mobil 1 was one of the better ones for the value, for the money. So anyway, I'm gonna hit this oil change real quick. Click the link above if you would like to see the oil change process.